Are you a busy professional struggling to fit fitness into your schedule? You're not alone. Balancing work and life is challenging. Prioritizing fitness is essential for physical and mental health. Discover what excites you. I find pickleball fun for staying active and social. CrossFit challenges both body and mind, fostering discipline. Incorporate fitness into your busy life. Treat workouts as essential as meetings. A quick 30 minutes boosts energy. Consistency matters. Every bit counts, from walking to gardening. Benefits of staying active extend beyond physical health. Exercise improves mood, reduces stress, and enhances focus. Engaging in fitness builds a supportive community. Pickleball and CrossFit create connections that inspire. To maintain an active lifestyle, choose enjoyable activities and plan workouts. Movement should be fun, not a chore. Embrace fitness and achieve a balanced, fulfilling life. Start today, find your passion, and enjoy the journey.